Hey everyone on YouTube, look at me right now. That's Diane. Jacob, I hope you're watching. Olivia, Zach, Annika and Alex, Caroline, Tammy. Holy crap, there's a lot of people I'm talking about right now. Not afraid, Crazy Brian rises up live. That's how, when I lose my shit, that's what happens by Crazy Brian being like this sexy right now.
Oh my goodness.
I can't believe I just said that, my fans. Lenny, hope you don't fucking still hate me. I realize I'm going loco right now. Hi, everyone. Should I do this shit now? Should I get in that room right now and spit my shit for 20 minutes? All right. I gotta get my water out of the freezer so I don't forget.
Still haven't put that stuff in? Oh my gosh.
Here we go, fans. Oh, my butt. Maybe 2 songs. Maybe 3 or 4. I'm not sure. Fans on YouTube, Crazy Brian's gonna spit his shit sooner or later. Because no one likes me no more. They think I'm butt ass ugly. My ice water. Because I might need it when I spit too much. My shit. Fans around the world. I'm not afraid. Crazy Brian rises up in this gangster shit right now. Live is the second one. Crazy Brian live too. That's the second song. You don't like my music? At least I fucking tried because I suck at rap it either way. Eminem is the problem these days. Yeah, you're losing your shit right now, man. Are you still there? Okay. I'm about to lose my shit right now because I smell like white ass. Dylan, Crazy Nick, Chris, well, all the girls of Montans and Gloucester stand the fuck up right now. Here I go. It's been 9 months I did this shit. Man, I still suck on the mic either way. Every single day, God be with me. Annika, Jacob, you don't know what's fucking coming next. I'm never afraid, Crazy Brian rises up right now in my life. I ain't talking about my story. The lightning about to strike right now. I'm losing my shit on the microphone. Crazy Brian, spit his shit on the mic right now in my life. I'm never afraid, Crazy Brian rises up. The lightning's about to strike in the fucking chest with my new sexy second drugs, lightning bolts, every single right. I never give up, hell no, you realize it. I never give up, authority, my time is now. Recognize that. And if you don't, if I had one shot, one opportunity to blow in music money, gotta let him go. Realize this, you try to be king and come back and kill that dish. Crazy Brian is never afraid. Crazy Brian rises up right now. You wanna judge me? Put your hands up for him. Down the world of ours, COVID-19. I talked to before and then she got killed. But I don't care, cause I'm not a jealous motherfucker. Realize this. Yeah, God, get you realize this. Jacob, Olivia, Chris, Mikey, Dylan, Lenny, Caroline, Tammy, Josh, every single day. Annika, you're leaving soon. I will never realize this. I'm never going anywhere every single day. I'm never afraid. Crazy Brian rises up, Alex. You'll be the best father ever. Realize this. For Annika, history book. I'm losing my shit. Every single right, you know these words. Every single right. I'm never afraid. Crazy Brian rises up right now. Fans, Generation X, try to be king in this dish. You wanna hustle loyalty against me? You wanna judge me? Anyone who wanna challenge this motherfucker? The lightning about to strike in the fucking dish. Right now, the lightning's about to go forth in the craziness. Hell, West Side blood, standing here right now, never going anywhere. I'm never afraid the lightning's about to strike to me. I'm killing against too much. Before I go, before I die soon by the COVID-19. Hell no. Come on, motherfucker, I'm standing here. I'm shaking like a vibration. I ain't giving up yet. Hernia or no hernia is not gonna stop my ass to kill that dish. Realize this, gotta speak the truth right now. I love how I fucking spit my music every single day. I'm not a liar on the fucking microphone. Hell no, I'm never afraid. Crazy Brian rises up. Thinking lightning about to strike in the dish. How he kills the fucking dish. Sexy Crazy Brian's not just Brian. His name is Crazy Brian on YouTube. You can find me. Check it out, Crazy Brian Merrick. Never gonna fucking be done and over yet. Hell no. You wanna judge me? Left in the rain, no family. It's very sad these days when people think they wanna judge this shit every single day. Put your hands up one more time. Rise up for Crazy Brian.
Instant jackpot ticket for up to $1 million with a second chance to win up to $250,000. If you want unlimited access to your credit report and score, sign up today at transunion.ca.
I will show you where I have made my home while preparing to bring justice.
Live Crazy Brian strike. Chris, Mikey, Lenny, everyone on Montana's on the line, stand with Crazy Brian on the microphone. Live Crazy Brian, live Crazy Brian on the mic right now. Back in the fucking studio right now. Annika, realize, Caroline, hands up, Crazy Brian on the mic right now. Standing my legacy right now. You need to know who I am. You want to motherfucker on the floor. Realize the darkness is here. You need to wake up, the bars gonna snap before it fucking breaks right now. Live Crazy Brian, here it comes, ladies. Kills that dish on a fucking joke like me. I'm not just Brian on the microphone. Hell no! You don't even know who I am yet. I'll tell you who I am. I did live shows at Montana's and Orleans and fucking close. I did 6 live shows. I crushed had a girl. 3 live shows for her. 3 flowers. Her name was fucking Hannah. She broke my heart on the microphone after a drink. Oh God, I got a number. Realize you're sexy every single day. Realize you got your heart broken every single day. Crazy Brian live right now. Crazy Brian live on the mic and I kill that dish. Wait and see what I can do next. Realize this is my life and my storyline. Standing here, game on, not joking. Melissa, every single rhyme. Tiana, I know you're not around like this no more. Until every single day, I hope you know my shit. Every single rhyme. Put your hands up for Crazy Brian. Crazy Brian, live right now. Snapping Olivia, put your hands up for Crazy Brian. On the mic, spitting this shit, Connor. I know you don't talk to me right now. It's all fucking good, but still put Crazy Brian hands up on the mic. Here I go again. You wanna judge me, sucker? You wouldn't know what he's worth. You wouldn't wanna challenge me out my breath, man. I realize I got halls for later to calm my fucking voice right now. I'm losing my shit up. Put your hands up, put your hands up right now for Crazy Brian losing his shit on the microphone. Hold on a sec, fans. People don't know who I am just yet. I'm Clausen Montana's. I am the fucking Crazy King dishwasher. Rapper, realize this. I never choke on a liver, hell no. You will see a live show this weekend. Every single day. Jacob, you're there or not. I will spit my shit in my head live. Saturday live. Crazy Brian knows what he's talking about live. I'm not scared of anything right now. You all talk too much. When I get focused on a song, I do my shit live. Cause I do this cause I fucking love it on the microphone. I'll get smack that on the booty on the floor right now. Dancing with Crazy Brian in the dish. Standing up and killing that shit. You realize all the girls hollering at this. You wanna check myself out. Just not I'm Montana on YouTube. That's what I gotta do. Crazy Brian live right now. In my world, I'm standing here in no family. Every single day, you're my life. Realize I got the guy we know. I got the guy at the dog park. Realize that. Realize. Goes Crazy Brian Bullhorn. Devil horns right now. You wanna judge me, sucker? You don't even know these spaghettios. Am I over yet? Nah, I'm just getting started. Let's see the next song. Maybe this song.
Quick Check showed me the best Capital One card I could get approved for with 100% certainty, even before I applied. I wish.
I will show you where I have made my move whilst preparing to bring justice. Then I will break you.
Thought you were a king. You're broken down. Would you step up? Would you step up now? Would you step up on the booth, Crazy Brian? Would you step up now, fans? Would I be done and over yet? Hell no. You realize I scream my lungs out on the world around me. Every single day, would you step up, Crazy Brian? When you die in this world, realize what you're missing now. This fucking world, you died from the COVID-19. Would you step up for Crazy Brian? Would you go on the ground, rap like him, talented like him, spits like Eminem, doesn't know his spaghetti words, he's never choking spaghetti. Hell no, how he shake like a vibration. It's all good, bring the beast in, and the lightning strikes with me every single day. You wanna judge me? Buzz, tick tock. I'm full vaccinated. Either way, this is what's going through my head. Every single right. God be with me right now before I die. I need your help to take me to my legacy to heaven, not hell. It's not where I need to go. Pray for Crazy Brian. Would you step with Crazy Brian on the microphone right now? Would you leave that shit? Hell no, son. My time is not just over yet. My life is not over yet. Put your hands up now. Put your hands up now. Rise with Crazy Brian. Realize this before I'm dead. This is my last song. I gotta say it now. Over 9 months, that's John Hughes. I'm calling you out. I missed your eyes. Realize I'm sorry it's been so fucking long. In my fucking head, my time is about to run out. Hell no. Listen to my legacy. Would you step up, Crazy Brian? Would you step with him? Realize that he's the king dishwasher rapper in his fucking book right now. My time is never over. Put your hands up. Rise up, Crazy Brian. Back in the booth right now. Never choking on the liver, Jacob. You still don't know what's coming next. Every single day, we need to understand about my story. If you don't like my music, you guys are all talking about these words. I even know I do this because I love it. It's been 9 months. You want to kill me on the street. You want to do this shit because you want to fucking hate my life. Some people love my music. Some people fucking hate my music. It's all good. I'm left in this rainy side. I'm alone with my legacy. What's going on right now? I need to wake up. Cause if I fucking don't, I'll be dead on the mic before I do a live show. Every single day. It's never over yet. God, give me the strength to kill the COVID-19, every single right in my life, standing right here. Would you step up with Crazy Brian on the mic right now? He rises like a king dishwasher rapper. He rises up, never done and over yet. This world's fucked up, you already know. Your time is almost over, Crazy Brian. I'm sad, I need to cry right now. If I don't cry, I don't need to wake up every single night. Put your hands up for Crazy Brian. On the mic, it's giving it the strength to kill the verse. Alright.